Welcome back. Our next topic is polynomial and degree of polynomials. So first of all, we will learn what are polynomials and we'll see its examples, and after that we will go to degree of polynomial and we'll check that how to find the degree of different polynomials with separate variables, single variables, and the degree of polynomial with different variables. So let's start polynomials. What is a polynomial? Polynomial is an expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression. So what is special in this algebraic expression? So it is called polynomial. Now we will see in this expression exponent are power of variable, okay, is always a whole number. You know what is a whole number? It is a set of numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It includes a zero number and positive natural numbers. Okay, so what is the special in polynomial? It is an expression in which power of variable is always a whole number. So look at the examples and we'll check the definition. The first example is xy plus 2x plus 34x square and square root of 7. Okay, what about this expression x and y plus 2x plus 34x square root 7? Now we will check each term separately and the variable in this term. The first one is x, y. Power of x is 1, power of y is 1, power of x is 1 and power of again x is 2. Is there any number which is not a whole number? So check it out. 1 is a whole number, again 1 and 1 repeated, and 2 is also a whole number. So what will you say about this expression? Is this a polynomial or not? So we can say that it is a polynomial because a polynomial is expression which contains power of variable as a whole number. So there are all the exponents are whole numbers. Now come to the next expression, which is 2x squared plus 3 square root of x. Okay, here as we are concerned with variables, so we will check only the variables and their exponents. So there is a variable x and again x is repeated but with different power. In the first term, power of x is 2, and in the next term, second term, what is the power of x? Here power occurred as a radical form. In a radical form, square root of x, and we termed it in the exponent form as x raised to the power 1 by 2. So now look, is 1 by 2 a whole number? No, it is positive but it is not a whole number. So it is a restriction for polynomial that the variable have power of variable must be a whole number, and there is power of variable is not a whole number. So we will say that this expression is not a polynomial. Okay, come to the next example, which is 3 by x plus y minus 9. What about this expression? Just compare it. 3 by x. Okay, 3 by x. I can write it x power minus 1. How? In the denominator, power of x is 1. Now we will transfer it from denominator to numerator. Its power will change from positive to negative. Plus y. raised to power 1, as there is no power, so we can say that its power is 1 and minus 9. Now power of x is minus 1, power of y is 1 and minus 9. 1 is a whole number. Yes, but what about this minus 1? Is it a whole number? No, it's a negative number. It is an integer. So this given expression is not polynomial. Okay, now come to the next expression and check it that it is a polynomial or not. So again, 4x squared plus square root of 7. What do you say about this? Now again, go to the definition that we must have power of variable a whole number. Power of variable, where is the variable? Here x is a variable. X is a variable and here x is a variable and its power is 2, which is a whole number, so it is also a polynomial. Now come to the next topic, degree of polynomial. What is the degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial is highest power of variable. Degree of polynomial is highest power of variable. So I can say if I have a polynomial and I want to check its degree, then I will check that what is the highest power included in this expression, and it will be the degree of that given polynomial. Now let's start from first expression, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Now check the degree, check the power of variables. Here the variable is x and again x. Now power of x, here in this term power of x is 2 and this term power of x is 1. So which one is greater? 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of polynomial is 2. Now come to the next example, which is 5x power 9 minus 9x power 5 plus 4y square minus 2y power 4. Now what about this expression? The power of first term, in the first term power of variable is 9. In the second term power of variable is 5. In third term power of variable is 2, and in last term power of variable is 4. Now check which one is greater. So 9 is greater. Then what will be the degree of this polynomial? The degree of this polynomial is 9. Now come to the next example. What is the next example? It is the most interesting one, which is stated as 7x squared y squared plus 8x cubed y minus 3x cubed y squared plus 5x power 4. Now look at this expression, and in the last 2 or 3 expressions there are variable x only. In this expression 2x squared plus 3x minus 5, there is only one variable, which is x. In the next expression there are two variables, 5x power 9 minus 9x power 5 plus 4y square minus 2y power 4. There are two variables. The first one is x and the second one is y, but these are occurred in different terms. But in this expression there are two different variables, x and y, but they occur in the same term as in the form of product. So now how we deal with these kind of expressions, these kinds of polynomials to find their degree? Let's check it out. Okay, so first you have to note that if you have a polynomial with different variables, then simply add exponents. What you have to do, that add exponent of variables in each term. What you have to do is, in the first term, as there are two different variables x and y, exponent of x is 2 and exponent of y is 2. So we will add these two exponents. In the next term, exponent of x is 3, exponent of y is 1. We will add them. In the next term, exponent of x is 3, exponent of y is 2. And in the last term, there is only one variable, which is x raised to power 4. So we will write 4 separately and single. Now add them. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. And this is 4. Now check out these. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. So we can say that the degree of this polynomial is 5. That's it. Hope you understand well. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.